Hi, I'm Angel, and you're listening to the Rode Procaster, a dynamic broadcast microphone. I'm talking directly into the microphone about 3 inches away. I do have installed the Rode Windscreen that's designed for this microphone. I have it connected via XLR cable to the Zoom LiveTrack L-8 multi-track mixer and recorder, where it will be recorded. The file will then be transferred into the DAW Reaper, where no post-processing will be done, except for normalizing the file. I'm in a room that was built out to be this recording space. All the exterior walls are insulated. The inside is about 10 foot by 12 foot. We've lined the interior with moving blankets and heavy drapes. The floor is concrete and we have a rug on it. So this is what my voice sounds like on the Rode Procaster. If you're interested in this mic, I hope this sample helps you. Again, I'm Angel doing this sample for the Women on Mic YouTube channel. Thanks for listening, and you have a great day.